Hi, fellow classmates. My name is Paula Dabney. I am not your traditional college student. I have been a respiratory therapist for the last 18 years. I am in the process of changing my career to a physician assistant. I have most of my prereqs taken for PA school. I plan on applying this cycle. I am just retaking a couple of biology classes that I didn't do so well in when I was 18 years old. A very, very long time ago. So, um, I am a single mom, two kids. I have a 21-year-old and a 14-year-old, which I hope make it a little easier for me to go to PA school because I'm going to have to go away. I have a little Shapoo. Her name is Lily, and we live in a small town in Missouri. So that's pretty much all about me. Thanks.